We will start with a few things. We will go to the dictionary, NumPy, and an NumPy array, and part of machine learning. So I had already given the two material regarding the NumPy array and the pandas. Have you gone through those two material?
Yes, sir.
So yes, sir. So
So have you practiced those things? Have you practiced those things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will first go to the NumPy. So first of all, please say how to create a one-dimensional array. If I want to create a one-dimensional array in NumPy, so what should I write?
The first create a list.
We will first create the list. What should I write?
And then
What should I write?
the list is equals to square bracket any number 1, 3, 5, 6, 7,
List is equal
and
to
then square
1
bracket.
square bracket.
So your screen is not visible.
It is not visible.
No, sir. Anaconda navigator page show.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what should I write? I write 1 and 2. And after that, what should I write?
After that, any name a double r equal to np dot array in the bracket list.
A double R equal to np
np dot
dot,
array
dot array
in bracket parentheses list.
bracket. I will write list.
Yes.
Okay. After that,
After that, the print array.
that's all.
Yes.
It gives error.
Yeah. Import numpy sir, as np first in first cell. Sorry.
That's all.
Yes.
So this is creating one-dimensional array, right? Now, what's your name?
Myself Wasim.
Okay. Next is anyone can say how I convert a matrix into array in NumPy. How I will convert the matrix into array in NumPy. Anyone?
Array dot ravel.
Sorry,
Array dot ravel. I think.
array
Ravel.
array dot
Ravel.
RABPL
V, sir. V.
V RAV
Yes.
Rav array dot Rav. Other than Wasim, anyone from the participant? Borsha Patro, can you say?
Uh, no, sir.
Raikomal Mukherjee.
Sir, is there a 2D?
It may be 2D, it may be 3D.
If it is 2D, we can use flatten.
Platen.
Yes, sir. Sir,
P.
2.
What should I write over here?
Sir, 2. 2.
It's TWO2.
Yes, sir. Then D array.
Then after 2, what should I write?
And an underscore.
After 2 underscore
D
D
array underscore array. ARR on ARR
ARR
dot flatten.
dot flatten.
Flatten. FF. Yes.
Flatten.
Yes, sir.
FLATTEN.
Yes, sir.
Flatten.
First bracket.
First bracket. Then I will run. After that, I will run.
No, sir. First, I have to define the 2D array.
Okay. After that, what should I write? After that, what should I write? Anybody?
So by using a reshape function.
Reshape.
Yes.
After that, what should I write?
So first we want to list the values in the lists. The list.
Sorry?
First we want to create the list.
List is already created. So Anybody?
Sir, a double R array dot to list. It will convert from array to list.
A double R
Dot to list.
dot
To list. TOLIST.
POLIST
Parenthesis.
parenthesis.
Yes, sir. Bracket says.
Right
No, the
after
first bracket, sir. First bracket. Yes, sir.
after that,
Run the cell, sir.
then
Run this cell.
I will run it.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. Sir, voice not audible, sir.
I think sir left.
Just a minute, you hold. I'm come. So this is not the converting the matrix into array. This is not the convert. This is not at all. This is basically a list. I'm not converting a matrix into array. So this is not a matrix. This is basically a list. Um, so what should I write over here?
Sir, I have written something using flatten. Can I share?
Yes.
Sir, should I share my screen?
Mm. This is not a matrix converting into array. This is not a matrix. No, it's not correct. What should I write? I had given the material to you, right? In the material it is written. It's not over here too. Let's think what happens. We move to the next part. Let's think. Uh,
Sir,
if I
ये
want to
voice
find the range of the function, what should I write in NumPy?
your voice is not clear, sir. Can you repeat it, please?
If want to find out the range of a function in NumPy, what should I do? If I write np dot a range, sorry, a range from 10, 30, and then run, it gives the range of number. So a range is basically the range function in NumPy array. So if we want to find out the equispaced value of a number, then what should I write? Equispaced value means
The value with equal spaces.
right. So can you give the range of number having equispaced value?
Yes, sir.
Give me one example.
So if line equals to, I say np dot line space and then 1 to 20, 1 comma 20 and comma 20. Then from 1 to 20, the equal space 20 will give the value.
If I want to find the range of number from 1 to 20,
Yes, sir.
right? And if I want to find the equispaced value, if we want to find out the equispaced value of the range of number between 1 to 20, what should be the range of numbers between this? what should be the range of numbers having the equispaced value between 1 to 20?
It could be anything. If we find 10 equispace, then we can get 10.
It
If we
goes
find
like this.
20,
It should go like this, or it can go like this. In this way, right? This one and this one. It may go like this. So these are equispaced range of number. These are also equispaced range of number. So what should I write over here? I will write NP dot range. Sorry, range. If I write, if the number starts with 20 and ends with 40, making a equispaced value of 3, then what should be the number? So these are equispaced because 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38. Each number is equispaced by 3. So the number is an so this is a range of equispaced array of number. If I want to create, so this is an equispaced range function. So this is basically the range function. Range function with equispaced value. Now, if I want to create an array of 0 of dimension n, array of zeros having the dimension n, what should I write? I will write np dot array of 0,
zeros, 3, 5, n, 9.
0, making only 5. And then I run. Sorry. ARR equal to np dot zeros having the dimension 5, and if I print ARR, see, so I write over here 0. So 0 has no function in NumPy library. 0 has no function, so you have to write zeros. So this is the dimension also. This is the range of zeros having the dimension 5. If I want to create a matrix of 1, if I want to create a 4 cross 4 matrix of ones, what should I write? If I want to create the 4 cross 4 matrix of ones, what should I write?
The np dot ones bracket 4 comma 4.
np dot 1.
The double bracket required.
What should I write?
The 4 comma 4 is all required a bracket also
Over here,
inside, sir.
first bracket or third bracket?
First bracket, sir.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
If I want to create a matrix having the diagonal value 1, what should I write?
The np dot I.
np dot I. Dot I. Having dimension, is there any
3 comma
dimension,
4.
right?
Yes. 3 comma 4 or 3 comma 3.
Diagonal value 1,
3 comma 3, sir.
3 comma 3.
Yes.
I said only the diagonal value. Right? NumPy, if I want to take a random integer value, what should I write? Any idea about this?
What, sir?
Random integer value. I write
So np dot random dot randint.
random dot rand int, if I write 1 comma 100, it will take a random value between 1 to 100, right? If I write np dot random dot rand and I write 1 comma 1 comma 50 comma 20. So it shows the number of arrays, from 1 to 50, right? Starting from 1 to 50, it will take these random of array value. These are basically the random values, right? For 1 to 50, the number of arrays, and having from 1 to 50, it will take any random value 1 to 50 with the number of arrays 20, with 20 random arrays. There are 20 random arrays. So the value, it starts with the randomly, it will take randomly the value from 1 to 50, and there are 20 arrays. Right. Now, if I want to reshape the array, suppose there are 2 cross 5 matrix, I want to reshape it in 2 cross 4 matrix. What should I write? I will write ARR dot reshape into 2 comma 4 matrix. Suppose I write R equal NP dot random
ডাল পাস হতো Aqui, aquele.
কিলো হয়
বর্ষাকালে বেশি আনলে নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে
dot rand int 0, 50, 10, and then I write here RARR. Right. Now so I'm finding randomly the 10 numbers from 0 to 50. Now if I want to find the array range, if I want to find the array range in NumPy, what should I write? If I want to find out the array range in NumPy, what should I write? If I want to find out the array range in NumPy, what should I write? Anybody? I will write ARR equal to NP dot ARR AR range array range from, suppose there are 18 numbers, and then I will print ARR. I will get the range of numbers starting from 0 to 18. Now if I write ARR, I'm finding an array of numbers from 0 to 18. Now I write ARR dot reshape reshape 3 comma 3 comma 6, right? Then it gives a 6 number, that is the 6 column 3 cross 6, or the 3 rows 6 columns, and reshape the array. An array is reshaped, that is, it is scaled into 3 cross 6, right? So you have to first, the error comes because the array is not declared at that time. So I declared the array, I create an array of 50 number, and I take there is uh, range of 50 numbers, and from there I I take only from 0 to 50. There are 10 numbers are taken randomly over here. After that, I create an array range. I create an range of numbers starting from 0 to 18. So this becomes an array, and this array, and I declare this range of numbers as an array. So this is an array. After that, I reshape this array into 3 cross 6. So this is reshaping of array. I am defining the array, and I am reshaping that array in the form of matrix. So this is reshaping function or reshaping the array. If I want to get any number from 20 to 30, what should I write? If I want to get any number from 20 to 30, what should I write?
np dot a range
Sorry,
np dot a range 20 comma
np np dot.
a range
I am talking about I want to get any number, randomly any number ranging from 20 to 30. What should I write? I will write
np dot
np
random dot random
random dot
randint
randint randint, and then I will run.
no sir, leave the range in the bracket first bracket.
So it takes randomly the value of number ranging from 20 to 30. If I want to get the maximum value of a number from the array, what should I write? Maximum value of a number from the array. What should I write? Oshrujit Chaudhary. Oshrujit Chaudhary. অভিদীপ্ত ঘোষ, অভিদীপ্ত ঘোষ.
Sir,
If I if
yes,
I
sir.
hmm, if I want to find the maximum number from an array, what should I write?
Sir,
Sir, so maximum number
Yes.
of the array.
Hmm. The array is defined. And I want to get the maximum number. Anybody?
argmax, sir.
ARR. ARR
dot argmax,
dot
argmax,
max.
argmax, sir. Not only max.
ARB max.
Yes.
AR. ARB.
G, sir. G for good.
That's right. ARB max. I will write ARB max.
G, sir. G. ARG.
ARG.
First
Let's
brackets. Yes, sir.
So if I write ARG means argument maximum, right? So over this it will by default take the maximum value from the array and it will show the output value, right? So if I write only max, will it happen or not? The same thing. Or if I write minimum value. If I want to find out the minimum value, it will take the minimum value. So this is finding of maximum and minimum value. So if I want to find the maximum value of a number from the array, which is equispaced, right? So what should I write? I will write ARR equal to NP dot A RNG. Suppose the range is 20, 30, which is equispaced. Now, let's see. I take this. All right. And I want to find the maximum value. Suppose ARR dot max, right? Will it give the maximum value? So this is minimum one. So why it doesn't, I know the maximum value is 30, but it is giving 20. Why? But here I'm writing minimum value. The function mean is over here. It gives the minimum value 20, right? So which one is correct between these two? Obviously the second one. Obviously the second one, it gives the minimum value 20. But in the first one, it also gives 20. So without giving any error, it gives output 20. Why? It should not be 20, but it gives 20 without giving any error.
Sir, because there is only one array.
Sorry,
There is only one array, sir. Between 20 to 30.
20 to 30 is a range of number. And each of the number is equispaced, having the equispaced with 10. So 20 to 30, it gives the max. Between 20 to 30, it gives the maximum value 20. And if I say that the next one is also 20 to 30, having the calculating the minimum value, it gives also 20. So which one is the correct? it gives 20 to 30. The minimum value, I want to get the minimum value. Obviously, it will be 20, between 20 to 30.
Yes, sir.
There are two numbers, 20 and 30, minimum 20. But here also the two number, 20 and 30, it gives 20. Why? It should not give 20. When I change to 20 to 80 with the equispaced value, it gives a maximum value 70,
Sir, is it related to indexing?
right? So because Python takes the value n minus 1. So between 20 to 80, the maximum value which shows 70. But when I write 20 to 30, it gives 20, right? Because Python takes the index value n minus 1. Now, now he is telling something arg max, right? Now this I am writing over here maximum value, and someone told me that you have to write arg max. Now there is the difference between these two. What is the difference? Max function takes the maximum value in the array. When I am talking about arg max, it calculate it, it counts from the index. Which index value is maximum? It gives that particular out. Here the index value, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes on. The index value 17 has the maximum value 17. So it gives the maximum value 17. So arg max counts the maximum index value, the index number having the maximum value, and this one takes the maximum value of that. This is the slight difference between these two. So you can also calculate, these things are very similar in the form of indexing. So this is an array. Suppose array of 20 numbers. Now suppose I can I calculate the maximum value of the range of two numbers, index number having the maximum value of the range of two numbers? What should I write? The index number having the maximum value of the range of two numbers. What should I write? I will write array ARR and I will take the range. Suppose this is the range. I'm writing this, right? So after that, if I write ARR dot ARG max, and then I run, what you see? What the output is explaining to us? Can you explain? Anybody can explain?
So at index number 9, the maximum value is given.
What is the maximum value?
20.
What is the maximum value? I had just explained this two.
So the
20 is the
maximum value
maximum.
is
20 is not over here.
in this area is 19.
19. So 0, 1,
The
2.
index number of 19 is 9.
So this takes the maximum value, right? So at the index number 9, the maximum value is 19. So this ARG max calculates the maximum value with respect to index. And this takes the random maximum value from the array, right? So in the mean, this mean function gives the minimum value, the random minimum value of the two numbers, right? And if I want to see the minimum value with respect to indexing, then I will write arg min, argument min, arg min. With the help of arg min, I can able to find out with the help of the indexing, I can able to find out the minimum value from the range of these two numbers, right? So this is the difference between ARG and ARG max Similarly, mean and argmean. Right? Now, this one I will see and I will explain to you on the later class. Now, we will go some part of machine learning. So, you will see just is it visible? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
So we will see the machine learning introductory part, right? So machine learning is basically classified into three types. One is the supervised machine learning, another is unsupervised machine learning, another is the reinforcement learning. So these are the three part of machine learning, right? So in short, what is supervised machine learning? So supervised machine learning, in supervised machine learning, uh, deals with basically two variable. One is called predictor, another is called the target. So these two variable, one is the predictor variable, another is the target variable. Now what are predictor variable and what are the target variable? Now there are various machine learning algorithms by which we can model the different things. Now this machine learning modeling, in supervised machine learning, the modeling is based on the statistical modeling. All are statistical modeling. And one of the modeling technique of statistical, one of the statistical modeling technique in supervised machine learning is regression. Is regression, right? Now, what is regression? This is one of the machine learning. Regression is basically the the supervised machine learning techniques, and by which, or one of the tool for modeling the various. Regression is basically a tool, a machine learning tool by which we can model the statistical analysis. So regression is basically a tool. It's basically a tool, is a tool for statistical analysis. For statistical analysis, statistical analysis in supervised machine learning algorithm, right? Now, a supervised machine learning algorithm deals with two things. One is continuous function, deals with the continuous function. Another is it deals with the discrete function. discrete function, right? So supervised machine learning algorithm, there are various supervised machine learning algorithm which are deals with the continuous function, that is the continuous data set, and the discrete function, that is discretized or dichotomized data set, right? Now, what are the continuous function? We define a continuous function as p of x is equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx equal to 1. So this is a continuous function, right? So this is a continuous function. That means the function is distributed both in both of the negative end and the positive end. The function is distributed uniformly from negative end to positive end, which is this is minus infinity to plus infinity. If I want to get the full length of the function, then I have to integrate it and I will get the functional value of 1. That is the probability value of 1 of this function, right? With this sinusoidal function. This is basically a sinusoidal function. The value of the sinusoidal function is 1. This kind of function is called the continuous function. And what is a discrete function? We define the discrete function p of x is equal to summation of, or you can say ex is equal to summation of n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity px. Sorry, px, which is equal to 1. This is the discrete function. The discrete function is defined like this. So when I am using a continuous function, there is the regression. Now, what is regression? Regression means estimation. That is estimation. That is the prediction, right? So this is regression. Regression means estimation or the prediction. Now, if I want to see, suppose this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and this is y. A data is given and x1, x2, x3, x4, a data set is given, x1, x2, x3, x4. Some random values are also given with column x1, in column x2, in column x3, in column x4, and in column x5. And all these values are the predicted value after certain analysis. And the actual value is y. So these are basically the predicted value of the data set, and this is basically the actual value. So the actual value is basically the target value, and this is basically the estimated value is basically the predicted value, right? The probable value. We will use different types of algorithm technique, and we will calculate the various accuracy and the precision of various statistical model. If the accuracy of the model is nearly equal to the predicted, how much it is nearly equal to the target value, then my statistic, if it is 95% nearer to the target value or the target variable, then my modeling with statistics is correct, right? So we will always compare our, for building a good statistical model, we have to compare the predicted value with the target value, right? So these are basically the predicted value or the predicted variable and the target value or the target variable. So what you will see, a data set will be given to me, right? A data set will be given to you. Right? So we will also, we know what is predicted value, what is predicted variable, what is target value, and what is target variable. Now, a data set will be given to you, and after with that data set, where you have to do the various types of the scattered diagram, you will find the scattered diagram, and these scattered diagram are basically shown with respect to the data set. So you will see the data, the scattered diagram with respect to the data set. Right now, a simple linear regression model takes the form y equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x plus epsilon, that is the constant value, right? Now these beta 0 and beta 1 are basically the parameters of the model, right? Okay. We will see different kind. One of the supervised machine learning algorithm is one of the tool for supervised machine learning algorithm is the simple linear regression. The first statistical model. Right. The first statistical model is the simple linear regression. So linear means we know that it is a straight line, right? So this is basically a simple linear regression. We know that y is equal to mx plus c. So this is a straight line equation. Similarly, since the line continues to move, since the line is continuously moving, and this line is termed as the, we called it in a statistical way as the linear regression, right? A simple linear regression. And from the mathematical point of view, if the line increases like this, then it is called positive RAM, where if t is equal to f of t is equal to kt, where k is the constant value. So a RAM function with respect to time, the RAM function is kt. Any problem? So understood this thing? So in supervised machine learning algorithm, so machine learning has three types of algorithm. One is supervised and it's unsupervised, and the least reinforcement. So all these things make the complete machine learning. Now, in the so regression, what I had said that the regression is basically an estimation of what, that is the estimation of the bivariate distribution, that is the distribution which deals with the two variables. So a regression analysis is always deals with the bivariate distribution analysis, right? So in supervised machine learning algorithm, we have a target variable and predictor variable as it is given by the data, as it will be given to the data set. Now, in unsupervised machine learning algorithm, there is no target variable. So in unsupervised machine learning is basically a random structure of the data where there is no target variable, right? So the another thing is that the unsupervised machine learning algorithm is deals with the classification problem. So mainly the unsupervised machine learning algorithm deals with the classification problem. And another type of machine learning is reinforcement learning, which is basically the engineering models can be used. Engineering models of the various multinational companies is use this reinforcement learning and for modeling the various engineering models, like such as if we want to model a controller, then we use reinforcement learning. If we want to draw, if we want to equip um, the various one of the modeling engineering modeling means it deals with electronics engineering, it deals with electrical engineering, it deals with computer science. So these are the on reinforcement learning, the various engineering modeling can be done using the neural networks. So there are three kinds of machine learning. One is a supervised machine learning algorithm, where we use the statistical modeling. Another is unsupervised machine learning algorithm. And in the another form of machine learning algorithm is the reinforcement learning. Right. Uh, so So in simple linear regression, we will see the graphical application or a graphical structure of a graph which rises like this, where the function is f of t is equal
Your voice is coming slow.
so f of t is equal to kt, which is a ramp function. Now we will see these things by Python coding. We will see the first regression analysis, right? So machine learning are of three types: the supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Supervised machine learning deals with the target variable and predictor variable. Unsupervised machine learning, in supervised machine learning, the data set is very structured because all the predictor variables uh, are dependent on the independent variable, that is the target variable of y. But in unsupervised machine learning, the data set is basically unstructured, right? So in unsupervised machine learning, as I told, the classification problem is used, and reinforcement learning is used for the engineering model. So I close over here today, and we will go to the machine learning coding on the next class. Will you be available on Sunday? Is it audible? Is it audible?
Yes, audible.
So will you be available on Sunday or Monday?
Sir, Monday,
Monday.
One day, sir.
So
same time,
on,
sir.
yes, in the same time, we will
Okay, sir.
continue on the Monday, right? We will
Alright.
see the various kind of machine learning algorithm, right? And go through the material of NumPy, Pandas, and SciPy. I will teach few things Pandas, not everything. I had given everything on Pandas in that particular material. So please go through it. If there is any problem arises regarding the that you cannot able to understand, then you can WhatsApp me. Right.
Okay, sir.
So okay, fine. So we will continue from Monday. We will go entered into the part of machine learning. Right. Okay. And few things before starting Monday. Please see few things about the statistics, that is regression, and the various kind of continuous distribution, the various continuous distribution which are given. Just go through these things, then only you can able to understand. Right. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.